very critical. We don't invite people immediately. When Vivek joined, my first impression at least, a CFO becoming a CEO and coming from India, the land of outsourcing, done. Probably he will say, okay, BTRC is doing all the pricing, why you need a head of product? Done. So, but that didn't happen. But Vivek, what I want you to know, another characteristic of Bangladeshi people, we get attached to people soon. And then when we get attached to it, it's very difficult to let go. I think it is difficult to let you go. So let me recite this for you before Sohel sings. It's a mix of Bangla and English. I'll try to translate the last paragraph. But anyway, it goes like this. Tomar সাথে দেখা, তোমার পথে চলা, শত বাধা পেরিয়েও নতুন সূর্য দেখা. You showed us the path to walk on, inspire us to carry on. You helped us to fly high, dream big and touch the sky. অসময়ে চলে যাওয়া, না বলা কত কথা, মনে রেখো আমাদের গ্রামীণফোন পরিবার. The last paragraph, Vivek, goes like this. You're living in a hurry. There's so much left to be said. Please keep us in your mind, your Grameenphone family. Sohel.
Yeah, we do a lot of music, but when this challenging task was delegated to us, the team, we were really kind of panicked how we could put such a glory of 1 year and 10 months in a single song. It was really challenging, but yes, as good followers, we have to complete the task, and we did few things. So, and we tried a couple of things, and then we picked this one. I hope you like it. Thank you so much.
সাথে দেখা, তোমার পথে চলা, শত বাধা পেরিয়েও নতুন সূর্য দেখা. তোমার সাথে দেখা, তোমার পথে চলা, শত বাধা পেরিয়েও নতুন সূর্য দেখা. You showed us the path to walk on, inspired us to carry on. You helped us to fly high, dream big and touch the sky. অসময়ে চলে যাওয়া, না গ্রামীণ ফোন পরিবার. Can we sing these last two lines for Vivek? Last 4 months. Okay? মনে রেখো আমাদের গ্রামীণ ফোন পরিবার. সবাই মনে রেখো আমাদের গ্রামীণ ফোন পরিবার.
Sohail.
Time for me to be standing here and talking and addressing to you when it's my farewell. You know, I have this thing with my boss. Whenever he says, I have a problem, then I have a problem. Whenever he says, I have a problem and I want you to go and fix that problem somewhere, then it ends up being my problem, not his problem. And it was 2 years back when he said to me, in one of the flights we were together, that I have a problem and I want you to go to Bangladesh and fix few things there and make that business come up and be as vibrant as it was in the past. I said, okay. And I said, okay, without even talking to my wife. I said, okay, I'll go there. Then I come back home and tell my wife, Aarti, that this is what I've decided. She said, you didn't even ask me. I said, no. She said, that's fine.